husband and I and Nikki drove to Missouri and we picked up a little hitchhiker. Are you our little hitchhiker? Hi. Are we gonna name you Charlie? Huh? Are you Charlie?
I think Nikki approves. She's trying to.
Yeah, you like a new baby? You got a new baby sister?
I'd like everybody to meet Charlie. She's our new baby girl. He's so cute, little stinker. The size of your paws. Can you say hi, Charlie? Want to give kisses? Give kisses? Oh, have a good kisses. This is her first encounter. The baby was on my lap. I crawled back to her, laid by Nikki. And Nikki's tucking around. Oh, yeah. Look at me, kiss. I said, Nikki's.
Probably wondering, what's this thing on your head?
You got a potty?
Is that your I gotta go potty mode? Okay, Charlie. You're home, your first snow. What do you think of snow, honey? Oh, don't go under my truck.
Snow? Is that snow?
Go potty, honey. Nikki, calm down. You gotta go potty? Are you going potty? I can't see.
That's a good girl.
Yeah, good girl, you go potty.
She's all wobbly.
Oh, good
That's
girl.
a good girl.
What do you think of snow? You don't like it?
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Is that your new baby? Oh, look.
Baby?
Oh, it's a fawn,
Oh,
Rita.
like you.
She's a fawn.
Yeah.
Oh, she's so pretty, just like
See
you.
her? Yeah. She doesn't
Hi, Gypsy.
Oh, she's squeezing my arm and hugging me. She's scared. Look at how tight she's holding me. Oh.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Okay, we gotta get that Nikki in the
Was she
house.
scared or worried about falling?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, I gotta get
You'll
Nikki.
sleep. Okay, tell your first human mommy we made it. See, I got to see snow, and it was wet and cold. But I went potty right away. And now I'm shaking because there's so many dogs here, My new human mommy says I get to sleep with her because I don't know this house yet. So get your face out of my video. So you're gonna sleep in bed with me? It'll be all better tomorrow. She's shaking. It's okay. It's okay. What'd you guys do with the baby? Where's Charlie? Oh, there you are. Were you out with the big dogs? Yeah. You've been out here for like 5 minutes now. You want to go back in? See how Gypsy knocked on the door? Let's go in.
She got some